Good morning, everybody. A very good morning to all of you, bachcho. We are back with another detailed job notification, and this time, what company we have with us? We have NBCC India Limited. Okay, so they have also released a detailed job notification, and you can fill the forms very soon. Okay, the forms are not out yet. So we must understand what this job is about, what are the vacancies, what are their requirements, and once we understand that, then you can apply for this job. So are you guys ready to hear about it? If you are, do hit that like button and share as much as possible so that other candidates who are not yet able to get jobs, they can also apply and they can also be benefited from it. So don't hesitate to share any job opportunity that comes on this channel so that others can also be benefited. Let me get started here, students. Let me start by introducing myself. My name is Ankit Goyal. I got AIR1 twice in GATE in 2014 and 2018. I was awarded President of India Gold Medal in the year 2013 when I graduated from IIT Indore. Till date, I have trained more than 1 lakh students in the online and the offline classes and presently working as a director at Unacademy for GATE department. You might all know about this, okay, but beta what matters the most? We have an organization standing behind us which is more of a mission, a revolution to empower each and every student of this country to get free quality education. We spread this free education not only through our YouTube channels but through our Unacademy Learning app as well. Once you download the Unacademy Learning app from the App Store or the Play Store, then you can click on any free initiative and you can access that free initiative simply by invite code, that is Ankit ESE. If you use this invite code, you will be able to access each and every initiative that is live there out on the app. Okay, we have free quizzes, free test series, free combat and free special classes. Without further ado, let's start and let's see what is there in this job. So my friend, there are two positions, management trainee civil and management trainee electrical. A good news for electrical. The salary is varying between 40,000 to 1,40,000. Okay, you might have understood by now that you get to 1,40,000 after promotions. This is not the starting salary. So you can expect an in-hand salary of somewhere around 50 to 60k. That is my estimate. It might not be accurate, but that is what generally happens. Now, in civil, the total vacancies are 25, out of which unreserved are 11, OBC 7, SC 5 and economically weaker section 2. For electrical, total are 10, unreserved 6, OBC 2, SC 1 and EWS is also 1. The upper age limit is 29 years. I believe most of the aspirants right now will be below 29 years. Hardly any few people will be above 29 years. Okay. Essential qualification, full-time degree in civil engineering or equivalent from recognized university with minimum 60% aggregate. Mark this, this is the minimum that you need. In electrical or civil, you need minimum 60%. Okay, in electrical, you need a degree in electrical engineering and in civil, you need a degree in the civil engineering. That is quite obvious. Other than this, what is the procedure for applying? Mark this time, 10:00 hours means 10 a.m. on 22nd March. The applications will become active from 10 a.m. on 22nd March and they will be available within the head career within human resources. Okay, and this is the website nbccindia.com. nbccindia.com. The final submission is at 5 p.m. on 21st April. That means you are getting 30 days to apply. There are 30 days to apply. Okay. No other means of application will be accepted. That is, if you send your resume or any other way of applying, that won't be accepted. You have to visit their website to apply. Now you need a passport size photograph. This is the size that is needed. You can easily change the size in Microsoft Paint. Okay. You need a signature as well. This you all will have available if you had applied for GATE. You must have a photo and the signature because that is needed there as well. Okay. Now for the category students, they need a category certificate as well. So they must have that available. and you need a valid GATE 2020 scorecard. So this job is for those people who have qualified GATE 2020 examination. So you need a GATE 2020 scorecard. Now, they must have a valid email ID. Okay, don't put any email ID whose password you don't remember, because later on many people say, sir, I have forgotten the password, I need to change the email ID. That won't be allowed. So make sure that you put the correct email ID. Okay, you have to fill in all the relevant details, scanned photo, signature, certificate and GATE 2020 scorecard. Okay, now the name, date of birth, address, all these should be absolutely correct. So see, they are again and again telling us one thing, don't put any wrong data, because later on they might not be able to change the data that you have submitted. And guys, this is a general advice. Please be very careful whenever filling any form. Don't do such mistakes. Now you have to pay 500 to apply. This is the fees, rupees 500. Okay, and candidates will be levied of any tax, charge, transaction fee from their transaction bank as applicable. That is, your bank might charge something like 10 rupees, 20 rupees for this online transaction. That is up to you. Okay. Then they are required to make application fees to debit card, credit card, net banking. These three modes are given to you. No other mode of payment will be accepted. Only these three modes. Other than this, you have to appear for GATE 2020. If you have appeared for GATE 2020, then you are eligible. You have to show a valid scorecard. You might have downloaded the scorecard last year. If you did not download, you can go to the GATE 2020 website and download the scorecard after logging into the Geo APS. I am talking about GATE 2020 website, not the GATE 2021 website. Okay. On the basis of GATE 2020 score, candidates will be shortlisted for personal interview. That is, there is no written test GD, there is directly personal interview. Now guys, whenever you are going for personal interview, what they'll be asking? They'll be asking HR question like, why do you want to join this company? What did you do since the GATE 2020 exam happened? So you must have all these answers ready, like what did you do in the last 1 year and why do you want to join a particular company. Other than that, there is definitely a technical panel as well. They'll be asking some technical question related to your core subjects, which I can say in case of electrical will be machines and power system. They'll be asking question from machine and power system, for which you can refer the notes that are given there on the bit.ly link that I always tell you, or I'll also tell you at the end of this video, where you can refer the material. You can go through the notes, you can go through the standard questions available on the internet. You can Google the interview questions from electrical engineering, you will find the questions. So that way you have to be very well prepared for personal interview. Okay. Now, the candidates will undergo comprehensive job training for a probation of 1 year. That is, 1 year is the probation period. And once you complete the training, you will be confirmed at E1 level. E1 is the executive level. Okay. And your salary will be from 40,000 to 1,40,000. So 1 year you will be treated as a trainee. Remuneration. Management trainee are eligible for remuneration consisting of basic pay, DA, HRA, allowance under cafeteria approach. Beside basic pay, DA, HRA allowances, they'll also be entitled to a performance related pay. That means based on your feedback, you will also have an additional component in your salary. Okay. CPF is their medical facility for the self and dependent, gratuity, leave encashment. So that is all there, that is generally there in any government industry. All those facilities you will have. Now, if you see, now the companies are going for bond, you will have a bond of rupees 1,50,000, okay, for 3 years, Okay, they are safeguarding their interest that the candidate does not leave them midway. Okay, so please read the complete advertisement on the NBCC India website. Okay, read how to apply and the other general instruction, so that you are very well aware that you are eligible for the job and you are not making a wrong decision. Now you will be intimidated through email. The selected candidates for interview, they'll get the communication by email. So it is very necessary that from now on you regularly check your email, and you need to have a copy of the online submitted application. So after submitting the application, make sure that you download the application and keep it with you. Okay. Now keep the email ID as given in the application form. Keep it active. Okay. No change in email ID will be allowed. Remember this. You can't change in the email ID. They'll communicate to you from the email itself. Okay. So now guys, as I was telling you from where you can prepare, you will find many special classes that I have taken so far on this link. Okay. In the last year itself, whatever classes I have taken, they are available subject wise here. Other than that, all the videos of Creatrix channel along with their PDF notes are available here. So you need to prepare your core subject. Machine notes are available. Power system notes are available. Power electronic notes are available. So go to this link and download all those notes. Go through all the theory that is taught. The entire theory is there in the notes. You don't need to study anything else, and just go through the interview questions. Okay. And you can also come to Unacademy Plus, where you get access to all the top educators teaching live in comprehensive and crash course. Not only this, they provide you daily assignment, weekly quiz, test series, question bank. And in case you have any doubt, there are doubt solving session. Moreover, you get access to all the branches, all the batches in one subscription. 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, foundation, placement, interview, PSU, AE. And any class that is conducted in the last 2 years is available there. So you can download the notes from Unacademy Plus as well in order to prepare for this interview from whichever educator you like. Otherwise, you can go for Iconic, because there you will get a personal coach. He can help you in cracking this interview. He can help you in preparing for this interview. They'll create a study planner for you. Even teachers will also guide you personally. You get extra study material, you get test analysis and a dedicated team to solve your doubts. So if you apply the code Ankit ESE, my dear students, you get an immediate 10% discount on this amazing subscription. Other than that, why to go for Unacademy Plus? Because my dear, in YouTube everything is subjected to attendance. If the students are not attending, it is not very sure that any initiative gets completed. But on Unacademy Plus, we have a commitment to you. Whenever you join, even if one student is attending the class, that initiative will get completed. Moreover, you get a serious environment where all the students are very serious related to their studies. In that environment, you are bound to grow. Your rank is bound to be improved. Now, I have recently started Analog Electronics on Plus from 17th of March. If you want to learn analog with me, join immediately so that you don't miss out on the more important topics. Similarly, for 2023 aspirants also, I have started analog, and from 31st March, Vishal sir will be starting control. Now, if you apply the code Ankit ESE, your 1 year fees will become 27,225, 18 months 34,650, 2 year 39,600. I would recommend that you go for 2 year. Per month cost is minimum and you can avail it on EMI without any interest. Similarly, you can go for Iconic, in which Ankit ESE code will fetch you 1 year fees of 45,225 and 2 year 66,600. Go for 2 year. Per month cost is minimum, and remember, EMI is available. You can pay in 12 equal installment without any interest, and you can avail it on debit card. Even if you don't have credit card, it is absolutely fine. This is my Unacademy ID. In case you have any queries, message me here. I reply to all the messages as long as they are relevant. And this is my Telegram channel to stay connected with me, guys. Also, I have a Telegram group by the name Ankit Gate. For doubt clearing, you can join that. You can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. My ID is SSGIIT. Okay, SSGIIT. So, thank you everybody. I hope you like the job notification, and if you feel you are suitable, you are eligible, then do apply to it. And please like, share and subscribe, and do hit that bell icon to get notified whenever any job notification comes live. Thank you. See you all. Let's crack it.